I'll probably do this in 2 steps. One is how to use it while you're on your laptop, and the second one is how to use it while you're on your phone. So let's start laptop first. Go ahead and open up Facebook. And go to Facebook Marketplace landing page. And if you're not already logged in, it'll ask you to log in now. Once you log in, you will see the options on the left hand side, which is browse, buying, selling, and saved items. You also see a lot of categories here for you to go ahead and pick up if you're looking for something specific. Say electronics, it'll show you all the things which are listed in electronics. Going back to its landing page, what you have on top here is the search marketplace and the location, and when you want to start selling something, this is where you begin. Of course, in here you have certain filters which are very simple and intuitive. You can choose the distance from the location that you've mentioned here, any specific category, any price range, or if you would like to just go for something that has been listed as free. So you can turn on and off these options, and on the basis of that, the entire thing gets listed here. I'm here to go ahead and list my old MacBook White, and that's something that I will be selling. And let's go ahead and take a look on how do we start with that. So you click on sell something. What are you selling? I'm selling my MacBook White. At price, I want to sell it for £120. London is fine. I will put a category as computer, and let's go ahead and write the text which I've already written here. So I'm going to pick up all this text from here. You can specify any details that you want. So I want to keep it very straightforward and clear. So I've listed the details of my MacBook. I've also mentioned the condition. And of course, I just want it to be picked up. I do not want to post it. Go to the place where you have all your photographs of the product. So in my case, I have this MacBook photos. I also have a couple of other photos here showing the condition of the MacBook, and I can upload all of them here. Once that is done, I have the ability to reorder or resequence, delete any of the photos that I don't need. Say for example this one, this is fine, this is fine, and that's okay. So once that is done, you can add only 10 photos at a time. So this is not required. The 10 photos, I put in as many as I wanted. I want $120 for it. I can go ahead and say post, and that's about it. So once this is done, your MacBook is listed. The next section that I will cover is how do I post the same thing using a phone. So right here I've got my Facebook app, and once you open your Facebook app, you would actually see right in the middle you got a shop icon, and that's your Facebook Marketplace. If you do not have it, then that means Facebook is not there in your country, in your location as yet. And works the same way. You've got the items that you can browse. You've got the items that you have listed can be picked up from your items right on top. But let's go straight ahead on how do we sell on Facebook. So when you start selling, the first thing that it wants you to do is choose the photo. So I've got all my photographs right here. I'm going to start with the first, second, third. Choose all the photos one by one. Only 10 photos can be added at a time, so I'm going to choose the ones that I want to be uploaded. Choose next. Choose the category here. This is electronics and computers, which should be right somewhere here. That's electronics and computers. What are you selling? I'm selling a MacBook White. So as you see that I was about to type white and I had to capitalize it. So the good thing about Facebook Marketplace as against the other selling apps is that it's very, very intuitive. you would notice that when I write the first word, on the second word I already have a shift press, so which is the words are capitalized. I'm going to write it again. I press a space and I don't have to capitalize again. Press space and new, so all the words are perfectly well, written and capitalized as required. So I'm going to fix this error here. I will make it a MacBook white. Here you write the description of the item, and you could just write a couple of words here. I have them written down because I'm posting at multiple places. So I've got that all written down here. I'm going to go ahead and select it. Till here. I'm going to go to my Facebook Marketplace app and paste it. Once that is done, format it the way I want. Say pickup only. Next. What is the price that you want to quote? So it says with similar titles in your area are listed for $220 to $283. I'm going to go ahead and list it down for $120. The new one possibly costs a lot more. It used to cost a lot more, but it's not available anymore, so I'm going to leave that blank. Go ahead and say next. So now you choose what location are you setting it from. So it's automatically picked up London. If you want to change that to your local postcode, you can go ahead and change. I'm going to let it be Central London. Go ahead and say confirm. Once that is done, here I've got multiple other groups as well, so you have an option of posting it on your profile or posting it on multiple other groups as well. I've chosen, you can choose all, you can choose just one, you can choose none, it's up to you. And once you hit the post, it goes ahead and confirms that your item has now been listed. And that's it, you got your first item right here. All the other items that you see at the back are the ones which are listed earlier. I could go back to my marketplace, look at my items. In case there is a change that I want to make, I can go to the edit item details and go through the whole cycle of the same screens to run through if there's any change that I want to make in the text that I've written, or the specifications, or the price, the location, or even to the groups. You also have the ability to post to multiple groups right from the outside, which is the options button. So you can go ahead and say post to more places, and that's the place, so you already have that. Once you have sold the item, you can go ahead and mark it sold, and it'll immediately take it off from your listing. There are no more options, there is no more check boxes, etc. to configure. That's about it. If you have any questions, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions on using Facebook Marketplace, should be it's very intuitive, so there shouldn't be any challenge in using it. Do let me know down below, and thank you for watching. You guys have a good one. Cheers.